Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going hunting, and I may try to shoot a doe if I see one early enough. Alright, so I didn't see any deer yesterday, but I'm in a different stand today, so hopefully I'll see something. Alright guys, I got her. She went down like right over there somewhere. So we'll go down these steps right here. So she was right in here somewhere when I shot her, but I gotta find some blood. Alright guys, I see her right over there. She didn't run far. She's right over there, and the stands are right there. Alright guys, so here she is. She's a pretty good size one. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go and get the side by side and bring it down here. We'll take her back to the house and clean her.